I'm going to share some very important information by the World Cancer Research Fund, and we're starting right this very moment, right now. Hey, it's Shiku here. Welcome to my channel Nourished Mind. By the end of this video, you'll be aware of the new research findings about the possible risks of cancer in your diet. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to both my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. Added a link of the report in the description so you can have a look at it later. The report was really long and it had a lot of technical jargon, so what I did was looked at it from my nutritionist perspective to make it easier for you to understand and summarize the report for you. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I have some tips on how you can prevent cancer risks. This study was the largest worldwide study of the causes of cancer. It involved the analysis of lifestyle habits and the medical history of 51 million people. Out of the 51 million people, 3.5 million people were diagnosed with cancer, which is around 7% of the studied population. They do this study every 10 years, and this was the third report since 2007. So let's get into the findings. Besides processed meat making you gain weight, it is also linked to the development of bowel cancer. Cooking meats at high temperatures forms mutagenic molecules which are linked to the development of cancer. Lowering your intake of red meats such as pork, lamb and steak can reduce the risk of you getting cancer. Also, the high salt content in processed meats damages the stomach mucosal lining. It was found that drinking alcohol increased the risk of 6 different cancer types, including cancer of the stomach, bowel, breast, liver, throat, and esophagus. So, just having small portions of meat or alcohol can really increase the risk of a variety of cancers. So, think twice before grabbing that glass of wine. In the study, it was highly recommended that you drink water and sugar-free beverages because it was found that sweetened drinks lead to weight gain that can increase cancer risk. According to the report, fats will be the main cause of cancer risk in the next 20 years compared to smoking. To prevent cancer risk, there are a few things you can do. Exercise regularly, avoid fast foods, maintain a healthy weight, and eat a diet rich in vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits contain nutrients that are important, such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and folate. These nutrients have anti-cancer effects. The main message from this report is that no amount of alcohol, bacon, or sausage is safe for you. I'll be creating a video on how to reduce cholesterol without any medication. So if you're interested in that, then please subscribe so that you can be the first to watch. Leave a comment down below on whether this video gave you awareness about diet and its impact on your health. And if you're struggling with keeping a healthy diet, then message me on my Facebook page for an affordable meal plan. Thank you so much for listening, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.